Now we can take a look at the latest COVID-19 case numbers available to us from both of our state health departments and the CDC. Missouri reporting more than 14,000 new cases between December 9th and December 15th. The CDC says nearly 13% of Missouri's COVID tests coming back positive right now. Nearly 780,000 people in the state of Missouri have gotten COVID since the start of the pandemic. Over in Kansas, more than 11,600 cases in just this past week. Positivity rate 12.6% right now. Total cases since the start of the pandemic for Kansas, nearly 500,000 total cases, nearly 500,000 cases, which, by the way, that positivity rate hit a record high of 16.6% last November. So this is still lower than what we saw last fall and winter. As for the largest hospitals in our area, they warned us on Friday, numbers like these, they can mean disaster for our healthcare professionals. The state of Kansas says right now 21% of ICU beds are available at hospitals. Some hospitals may not have any space at all. In Missouri, there's even fewer ICU beds. Only 16% of ICU beds open right now. It is important to note that only a fraction of ICU beds in both Missouri and Kansas are taken up by COVID-19 patients, but that is space that won't be open for other healthcare emergencies. Missouri State Treasurer says he will now not help schools with debt unless they promise not to require face masks. Treasurer Scott Fitzpatrick says the new policy is in response to the Attorney General's pledge to sue schools and local health departments if they enforce health mandates. The AG has told a number of Missouri districts to end their mask and quarantine policies or face legal action. Florida man is now banned from United Airlines after wearing women's underwear on his face and claiming it followed federal regulations. The CDC's public transportation mask mandate states that masks must cover the nose and mouth and fit snugly against the sides without gaps. The flight attendant who removed Adam Jean from the plane says the undergarment on his face just wasn't cutting it. He says he was just trying to make a point.
There's nothing more absurd than having to wear a mask till I get to cruising altitude so that I can order Tito's by the double and snack on pretzels, and illustrating that absurdity by wearing women's underwear on my face. Sounds perfect.
Jean claims other passengers got off the plane with him in a show of support. Now, this isn't the first time he's been kicked off a plane for this exact same reason. He says Delta Airlines asked him to leave a flight as well.